Sai Ram, dear children, welcome to maths class. We will start our class by Omkar 3 times. Okay, children? Sai Ram, children. Today we are going to understand the word problem. That is problem solving. Okay, children, let me to take the worksheet. Is it visible, children? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Problem solving. Let us read the question. Okay, word problem. Raju, name of a child. Okay, had 8 toffees. You know the meaning of had? Has and had. Has. So hey, had means tha. इसके पास Raju had 8 toffees. Why? Because he gave 5 toffees to Sonu. Out of 8 toffees, Raju gave 5 toffees to Sonu. Okay, children? He had 8 toffees. Out of 8 toffees, he gave 5 toffees to his friend Sonu. Then the question is, how many toffees are left with Raju? We know that 8 toffees were there. Then he gave 5 toffees to his friend. 5 toffees. Then how many toffees are left? Yes, 3 toffees. Then how will you write? Okay, let us understand it. We have already done in other problem solving in addition. So we know how to write it. But I will tell you how to write it again. Okay. Here, 8 toffee. You have to write here 8, then toffees. Then he gave him 5 toffees. So we have to write below 8, we write 5, then toffees. Below toffees, we will write toffees. Then he gave to him. So the number reduced, less. So we have to give which sign? Yes, minus. So we have to put minus sign here. Don't forget to put the sign here. Okay, children. So minus. Now, how many toffees are left with him, isn't it? So we are going to subtract it. Toffees minus toffees means toffees. So we have to write it toffees here. We have to write the unit here. It is toffees. If it is pencil, we have to write here pencil. Okay, children. So here it is toffees. We are writing here toffees. Now 8 minus 5. We can do forward counting also from where if it is 5, we have to count up to 8. Okay. 5 after 5 comes 6, 7, 8. Okay. So how many fingers? Yes, 3 fingers. Then we will write here 3. 3 toffees are left. So we have to write in sentence last. What will you write? In addition also we have written, isn't it? Like we have to write here. So here it is written how many. How many toffees? So in place of how many, we will write the answer. What is the answer he got? 3. How many toffees? 3 toffees are left with Raju. So we will write in place of how many, we will write 3 toffees are left with Raju. Is it clear? Do you understand,
Yes, ma'am.
children? Okay. One more
Yes,
question is there. Okay. I will explain you. Okay. Kiran had 12 bangles. Out of 12 bangles, she gave 4 bangles to her friend. Okay. Now, how many bangles are left with Kiran? See, the solution is here. First number is 12. 12 bangles. We will write 12 bangles. Okay. It has 2 digits, 1, 10 and 2 ones. Okay. Then he gave out of 12 bangles 4 to her friend. So we have to write 4 here. Where? In ones place, because it is a single digit. Just below we have to write 4. So 12 bangles minus 4 bangles. Then we will minus it. Okay, we can do forward counting also. Okay, now this number is 4. So we will start from after 4 comes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? Yes, 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. Then bangles. So we have to add here bangles. Means bangle is the unit here. So we have to write that bangle. So how will you write? In place of how many? We have to write 8 bangles are left with Kiran. Okay. Now 2 questions are for you. You can try it. First I will explain you. Okay. You are doing first time, in subtraction. So I will explain it to you. Rahim had 10 marbles. He gave marble, we know now, marble, this one. He gave 5 marbles to Ram. How many marbles are left with Rahim? See, Rahim had 10 marbles. Out of 10 marbles, he gave 5 marbles to his friend Ram. Then how many marbles are left with Rahim? So you can write the solution here. Okay, children. Next question is, John had 15 stamps. He gave 4 stamps to Mohan. How many stamps are left with John? So John had 15 stamps. He gave out of 15, he gave 4 stamps to his friend Mohan. Then how many stamps are left with John now? So you can write the solution here. Okay, children, can you do this? Can you try these 2 questions?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, it is a revision for you. Already we have learned all these things, First one is number name. You have to write the number name. What is the number name? First number is 15. So we have to write the spelling of 15. Fifteen. Then what is the number name of 29? We know that is number name of 20. TWENTY. Then we have to write 9 spelling. NINE. Next one. What is the number name of 40? FORTY. Then next number is 12. TWELVE. Okay, children? You do it yourself. Okay. Next. We have already learned increasing order and decreasing order. Increasing order means ascending order. Okay. We have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Means from the smallest to the greatest or biggest number. So here, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 numbers are 2-digit numbers. So then we will see the tens place value. Now, what is written in tens place? What is the digit here? This is 1, 9, 4, then 5. Okay. Then smallest means, yes, it starts from 110. So we have to write here 12, isn't it? 12. Then we have written, then tens place, so 2 is there? No. 3 is there? No. 4 is there? Yes, 4 is here. Yes, so we have to write 45. Then
45.
very good, very good. Then tens place 5 is there. Yes, only one number with tens place 5. Oh no. So we can write T1 here. And after that, only one number is left. So we can write 91. So this is the increasing order or ascending order. So you can write, isn't it? 33, 23, 13, 28. These all numbers are two-digit numbers. So we can start from the smallest number, smallest digit in the tens place. Yes, this is 13, then 23, then 30, 20. Sorry, see, here two numbers are here with tens place with 2, isn't it? The digit 2 is in both numbers, 23 and 28. So we have to see ones place. Here 3 is here and 8 is here. Which number is big? Which digit is greater? 8 is greater. This is smaller. So after 13, we will write 23. After that 23, we will write 28. After 28, we will write 38. Okay, clear? Okay, then you can do all
Ma'am,
this. Last one I will explain.
Ma'am, last
Yes.
number is 33. 38 नहीं है ना?
33. Yes,
33 है ना?
33. Sorry. Okay, 33.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, this is easy for you, but here 3 two-digit numbers and one one-digit number is there. So, which is the smallest number here? Yes, it is 8. Then after you can write, once 10 we will see the place value of the digit of the tens place. 8 is here, 2 is here, 1 is here. So you can see and write. Is it clear to all? Yes, you can do
Yes.
it. Okay, children? You can do when you get time. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to see word problem in Tata Classets. Okay, children? Let me to take the Tata Classets. School's name we have to type. Yes, user ID, password. Yes. It is signing in. Yes, it's coming. Yes. Is here our class. Yes. Yes. Here it is. It is written story problem. That is problem solving. No, word problems. Okay, let us see. Yes.
One morning in Gia's garden,
It's a beautiful day, isn't it, Pasha? Yes, Gia, it is. Hey, Pasha, look at those pretty birds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds on the tree. Look, Gia, some more birds have. I will count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 more birds now, Gia. So there were 5 birds sitting on this tree and 4 more birds flew in. So how many birds in all are now sitting on this tree? To find the total number of birds, let's add 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 birds in all. So there are 9 birds on the tree now. Hey Jia, how many birds will remain on the tree if 7 of them fly away?
Children, this was about addition, no? 5 birds were there on the tree and 4 more joined, so 5 plus 4, 9 birds. No. Now, next one is for subtraction, okay?
9 birds on the tree now. Hey Jia, how many birds will remain on the tree if 7 of them fly away? To find the remaining number of birds, we must take away 7 birds from 9 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look, Jia, only 2 birds shall remain. If 7 birds from 9 birds fly away,
It was about subtraction, okay? 7 birds were there out of 7. Sorry, how many birds were there?
9
That
birds,
is
ma'am.
9 birds. 9 birds were there. 7 birds flew away. Then 2 birds left on the tree. That was subtraction problem. You know. Next.
remain. If 7 birds from 9 birds fly away. It was fun counting the birds, Pasha. Hey, I almost forgot. I had to pick up few roses for Mother. I will help you pick some roses, Jia. Thanks, Pasha. Okay, Pasha, let's count our roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I picked 5 roses, Jia. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 roses. To find the number of roses we collected in all, let's add 5 and 3. Okay, Jia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here Pasha and Jia picked how many roses together in total? 5 plus 3 means 8 flowers. No. Next.
There are 8 roses in all. But Pasha, look, you collected more roses than me. Jia, how many more roses than you did I collect? To find out how many more roses you collected, you should subtract my number of roses from your number of roses. So, I'll subtract 3 from 5. So, you collected 1 rose and I also collected 1 rose. You collected 2 and I collected 2. You collected 3 and I also collected 3. But look, Jia, 2 roses remain with me. That's right, Pasha. 2 roses will remain when you subtract 3 from 5. That means you collected 2 roses more than me. Thanks for helping me pick the roses, Pasha. Let's go inside. My mom has prepared lemonade for us. Yummy! Let's go.
Children, is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are okay. Oh, good. We are going to stop class. Today's class. We will do Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram children, take care. Bye bye.